Hello, my name's Chloe Aitken. I'm on the Pegasus team here at TMB. Welcome to the fourth instalment in our series of hints and tips videos for Pegasus Opera 3. Today we're going to have a little look at grids. Now Opera is full of grids, so if we go to Financials and Sales Processing and have a look at the List tab, this is a grid. If I then go back to the General tab and have a look at the transactions on the account, this is a grid. If I were to go to my maintenance codes, look at the list, this is a grid. If I go into payroll and have a look at the monthly payroll and pick an employee and look at their history, this is a grid. So the nice thing about grids is they can be manipulated. So if I right click on the header, I get a submenu pop up. So I can sort ascending, I can sort descending, so pick a column and sort by that column. I can select which columns I want to push out to Excel, unselect them or invert my selection. In my view I can hide columns. So let's say I wanted to hide the following columns. I don't want to see anything to do with national insurance thresholds. There we go, so that's got rid of those columns from the view. It's not kept it. If I click OK and go back into the history, you can see those columns are there, so it's reset to default. If I right click on the header again, let's say I want to pick certain columns in the view. So I want to pick year, month, and deselect other ones. So one at a time. Basically it's doing the same thing. It's effectively hiding them from the view. And then we can reset to default. There we go. If we right click in the header again, we can copy data. As long as we right click in the header, we will be able to copy the full grid over to Excel, which is what I've done here. So we've now got all of that information into Excel, into a format that we can now manipulate. If we didn't want all of that information to Excel, again we can select our column. So if we select year, month, I want to see what the employee paid in national insurance in that month. I want to see what they actually paid that month, and I want to see what tax was paid that month. So if I now right click copy data, open up a new sheet and paste, we get those columns that I selected only. So we've got their taxable pay, their tax paid, their national insurance. So grids are a very useful way of getting information out of Opera and into Excel. Thank you.